Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm very excited to do a review on Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice Recently Deceased palette. I'm very excited. It comes in this, it's like a soft velvet touch type of package, and it has a hologram design here, and it's got all the information there on the back. And that beautiful striped front. It's so much beautiful darkness. I love it. Open up the package. It's green inside. I bought this one in particular because it is vegan. The other palette, there's another one with reds and grays and blacks. It is not vegan, so I did not buy it. This is what the palette looks like on the outside. It's got this beautiful neon, totally glowing neon. It looks like uranium glass. Green packaging. It is plastic. It's a heavy-duty plastic. And it's got the Beetlejuice as the snake on the front. And it says Recently Deceased Melt Cosmetics. Open it up, and the little plastic divider inside that you normally see to protect the shadows is actually a giant film still. If I can get it out of here, let's see. It's a giant film still. Take a look at that. I don't know if it'll focus on that, but there we go. So that's a really cool part of the movie. If you hold this up to the light, just like with a film still, you can look at it and see a part of an image from the film. So that's really cool, and it sits on here and protects the shadows. It gives that little piece of plastic a little bit more meaningfulness and usefulness. And I got a big old mirror here, and here are the colors. And I'll go ahead and swatch these for you too. So starting with this one here. Oh, and the mattes have a little Beetlejuice. They have the little imprint of a little Beetlejuice face on them. So that is very cool. So I'll go ahead and I will swatch these for you. This one is called Beetlejuice. Super smooth swatch there. Then we've got Paranormal, which is this dark green shimmer. I think it has a black base with a green shimmer. Then we've got Draw a Door, which is sort of it's kind of a mustard, like a mustard khaki yellow green. Then we've got Neurotic, which is a gold green. Then we've got Recently Deceased right here. That is a dark purple shimmer. It's got sort of a magenta tone to it. And then we've got Lost Souls, which is this deep, oh, I don't even know how to describe this. It's like a magenta-y purple, and it's really deep. And then we have Little Accident, which is sort of a plummy magenta, pinky plummy magenta shimmer. And then we have Bio Exorcist here, which is a light magenta. They're all kind of magenta-y shades. It's sort of a deep lavender or lighter version of the other purple. So you can see them all swatched here, and you can see they are all, or there's all the green family and there's all the purple family, and they're sort of similar, but they're each a little different and a little unique. And I really like that. Watch me make a look using all of the shades in just a moment. So I'm going to try to use every single color in this palette. There's only 8, yet they are very vibrant, unique, and strong statement type colors. So we'll see how this goes. But I am going to try to do that to see what it's going to look like. I know it'd be easy to make a look out of, let's say, you know, just these 2 colors, or just these 2 colors, just these 2 or these 2. So I'm thinking it'd be really easy to just put, you know, one of the mattes and a shimmer on the lid, and you'd have a really beautiful look. But I'm going to try to challenge myself and do a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with Draw a Door. That is sort of this khaki mustard color. And I'm going to go in my crease with that. And I've primed my eyes with a Pretty Vulgar eye primer. I'm going in with a light hand and building up. These are very pigmented colors. So I'm just using a little bit. Any of you guys not seen the movie Beetlejuice? Because it's a really good movie. I saw it when I was younger. I saw it in the theater when I was younger, I think. But it was a long time ago. So I don't 100% remember. But I think I did see it in the theater. I think I saw it with my friend Heather. I could be totally wrong on both those counts. I'm going in with Beetlejuice, this lime green. When I was younger, and I adore Winona Ryder. I think she's a talented actress. I enjoy her in Stranger Things right now. And I heard there's going to be a new season soon. I saw her in a bunch of movies when I was young. And just always liked her. I thought she was pretty, talented, had good taste in music. But honestly, I don't know that much about her personal life. I just like her as an actress. So I'm going to go ahead with shimmer. I'm going to do Paranormal. I'm going to use my finger for this. I like using my finger for shimmer shades. And I'm just doing the outer edge here. But yeah, I enjoy the movie Mermaids. I saw Welcome Home, Roxy Carmichael. I know I saw that in the theater with Heather, and that was a long time ago. And that was at a theater that no longer exists. I believe that was a theater in the mall. There's still a theater in the mall there, but it's a different one. Okay, now I'm going to do Neurotic on the rest of the lid. This is such a beautiful, bright, like a gold lime color. I liked her in Heathers. I liked the movie Heathers. So yeah, she's just been in a lot of movies that I enjoyed. Lucas. Do you remember Lucas? So I'm just going back and forth between the kind of gold and the green. So it has like a little bit of a blend. So that's it for the upper part. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to use these purpley colors for the lower lash line. I'm going to go into Recently Deceased. That is a shimmer shade, the purple, dark purple shimmer shade. Then I'm going to go into Little Accident right here. And I'm going to smoke them both out with Lost Souls, this purple here. I could see how this palette would be a little bit of a challenge for because of the color scheme, because of the green and purple. But if you see, they look good in the pans together. So you can separate them like this, or you can do a cut crease. I don't do cut creases because they are lost on me because of my hooded eyes. So if I do want a color to pop, I can always just put it right on the lid. Then I'm actually going to try a matte in the inner corner. I'm going to try this Bio Exorcist. That's the lightest shade in this palette. It's a light kind of pinky purple. It does come out kind of dark. Let's say in comparison to the lightest shade of another palette. Everything in this palette is pretty dark. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to do mascara and liner and be back. Okay, I'm back with everything on. This is the final product here. And my thoughts on this palette, I'm going to tell you, I absolutely love it. I love, 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 love this. I love that I can use all the colors and get something that kind of, you know, looks cool. I know that I can use this many other ways to do, you know, like a purple or more lavender pinkish look, you know, more lime green, more mustardy look. I can do any of those. And yeah, I love, love, love it. I love the packaging. I love the colors. This is the most unique palette as far as colors go that I have. I like the quality, everything. I'm so glad I love it because I did pay full price for this. I normally do not pay full price for any of the makeup I have. This is a pricey palette. I actually paid for this on a payment plan, believe it or not, because I wanted this so much, and I thought that it would be the quality product that it is. So I decided to take a chance. Yeah, and I absolutely think it paid off. I absolutely love this. I almost don't want to use it anymore because I want to keep it pristine and keep all the images in there and not use it. I used like around the side so I didn't mess up any of the Beetlejuice faces. But yeah, I absolutely adore this. I think the quality is there. I think the color's there, everything. And the packaging is there as well. So it's got the whole package, if you will. Yeah, I love it. Do I suggest it to people? I mean, only if you also love this color story and packaging, and honestly, if you can afford it, it's a little bit of a pricier palette. It's around, I believe it's $50. It's around $50, like 48, something like that. Or maybe it's, yeah, it's around $50. So this palette is around $50, so it does have a hefty price tag, but it's for the packaging and also for the quality. This is great quality, and hopefully these shadows will last. I have another melt palette. I have two other melt palettes, and they seem to last a really long time. The quality is there on both of those as well. However, I got those deeply discounted. If you know me, I pay very little for my makeup. I wait till there's sales. I wait till there's discounts. I buy things from subscription boxes so that I can get things at the lowest price, and not because I don't value the makeup, it's because of my makeup budget, personal makeup budget, and I end up finding really great deals sometimes, you know, 50% off or even more, 80% off at times. I think my best has been 80% off, maybe 90% off, and I've been able to get some really great stuff. This is one of the only palettes, it's one of two palettes that I paid full price for, and I'm gonna say, because I get such great deals on makeup, I'm gonna allow myself to pay full price for one palette, one extravagant purchase per year. I'm just gonna say that. I made one purchase of a palette last year, the Lunar Beauty spell book, and that was one that I paid full price for last year, and this is my this year purchase. Stay tuned to my channel. I am going to do a end of the year, I'm going to do an end of the year top 10 creepy palettes, and this may just make the list. You'll have to see. That's going to be coming up at the end of the month. And, you know, subscribe to my channel or like this video if you want to help me out, if you enjoy my content. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.